video is going to provide you with an opportunity to perform a challenge. Now that you have learned two fundamental data transformation skills, you can extract the product price and then convert the product price to a numeric variable. An important hint is that, as noted in the video for step 2, we need both a string variable for product price and a numeric variable. See, as you go through these steps, if you can figure out why. Here are a few more hints. I'm again displaying the notes that apply to all of the videos for step 6. Additionally, I'm providing you with a hint regarding the position of the product price, that it is located in position 6. There's one more additional hint. We learned that the $sign in A2019 is used to designate a variable to the computer program, where the variable is something that can change for each iteration of our loop. Thus, the bot has a preset understanding of the dollar character. To overcome this preset understanding, you will need to use two $signs if you want to refer to a dollar in your raw data. With your knowledge and these hints, I encourage you to pause the video and see if you can complete this challenge on your own. Good luck! How did you do? We have to complete this process using two actions. First, we have to extract the dollar from the product price. Because we are extracting text, the product price will be assigned to a string variable, s product price. Then we have to use the toNumber action in order to convert the product price from a string variable to a numeric variable. Let's get into A2019 to see what these two steps look like. If you have to, navigate back up until you locate the extract text action. Double-click and make sure that it is inside your loop. We first configure the action to help the bot identify where to find the raw data. So we select our row by index, and we know that the product price is located in position 6. We click yes. We're going to continue to use the before option. In the start after text box, type in two $signs. Remember, there is only one $sign in the raw data. But since Automation Anywhere automatically interprets the $sign as a variable, we have to overcome A2019's default by placing in two $signs. This allows A2019 to understand that it is to pull the text that comes after the $sign from the raw data file. We're going to navigate down the configuration window, and we're going to verify that it will return an empty string if there's no match found. And in this case, we're going to leave the number of characters to get as all. This is because the product price can vary between having 4 characters, like it would in 6.95, and having 5 characters, like it would when the product price is 12.95. Note, we automatically want to interpret the product price as a dollar value, but the bot is still interpreting this as a string that contains both numbers and a character, in this case, the period. Verify that the boxes are checked to trim the extracted text and to remove enter from the extracted text. Because the extract text command is extracting text, the bot interprets the data type as a string data type. So we need to assign the output variable to our S product price variable. Once you've configured this, go ahead and save. While not part of the challenge, what action could you have used to verify that you configured the extract text action to transform the data appropriately? That's right, a message box. Let's do that now. Close your string menu and navigate back up to the message box menu. Click once to open and double click to place the message box on our workbench inside the loop after our last extract text command. This time we're going to configure the message box to display our S product price variable. Again, we can tell the bot to close the message box after 2 seconds. We can then save and run. And we should see our message box displaying the product price. Go ahead and stop the bot. If we wanted to see the total transformation, we could use a second message box. Go ahead and drag the second message box ahead of our message box to display the variable product price. But in this case, we're going to tell the bot to display row index 6, since that was the position of our raw data. Again, have the message box close after 2 seconds. Let's save our bot, and this time when we run our bot, we will see the original raw data and then shortly after see the transformed data. We can then go ahead and stop our bot. If you're satisfied that your bot is transforming the data appropriately, go ahead and delete both message boxes. Close your message box menu and then navigate back down to your string menu and click once to open. Now that we have extracted the product price from the raw data, we can now convert the product price to a numeric variable using the toNumber action. Double-click to move it onto your workbench, ensure that it is within your loop, and then when you have it on your workbench inside your loop, we can configure the action. Here, instead of using the R row, we're going to use the S product price variable. Then we can click on Yes, Insert, and now we are going to have it output to the N product price variable. Click Save when you've completed the configuration. Excellent. Hopefully you are gaining a better understanding of not only how to transform data using A2019, but you realize that you are building a strong foundation of data transformation knowledge that can be used in a wide variety of data analytics programs to clean raw data files.